I'm Bati, the roll up, nigga, come through me, you swole up with a chopper or a saw dog, don't give a fuck, like y'all off, and I'm coming through with a drum too. AK-47 and all y'all bitch ass niggas still having, that's what I'm reppin'. That heel bitch up in my face, you can see that gun up on my waist with a long clip, like hold up, hit you in your lip, you just swole up. Need stitches for you bitches, left them bitches in the trenches. I'm coming from them tracks, nigga, getting nothing but stacks. Nigga, what you lack is cause you lame. You ain't got nothing but shame. You ain't even got no game. Do them niggas know your name? Do them niggas know your name? Do them niggas know you lame? Shoot you bitch niggas in your brain. Wiped out like a stain. Left the blood on your shirt. Nigga went back to the house and whipped up some fucking work. Then I made them bitches twerk. Nigga, hold up, here come fiends. Nigga, then I'm serving them niggas. Then I'm out this bitch, I leave. Nigga, hold up, then I'm gone. Gonna shoot out to the flats. Hit my nigga, tell my nigga, yeah, bitch, I'm coming right back. You just know this where I'm at. If you wanna fucking find me, hit my phone, 852-7191. That's how I'm coming, son. I get it done with a blunt too, or a blunt of few, and I'm lightened up like don't give a fuck, nigga. That's what's up. Lean all in my cup, and I'm sipping on that promethazine, and you know it's green. Do this shit just for my team. This ain't no dream. This a fucking scheme. This how it be. Rolling up with Bati B, RKK, and Butchie. Them niggas talking shit, but I'm coming in this bitch. Guns all up in my hip. Nigga, I might use my fist. I don't give a fuck, cause I know none of them niggas wanna fall in the bin. Bitch ass nigga.